Hi, I'm Marcia Pervine, and I'm here today because I'm a candidate for raindrop surgery to hopefully get rid of the problem that I'm having with reading things that are little. Right now I have to read things kind of like this, if I'm lucky, but today, hopefully, Dr. Wang will help me throw these in the trash and I'll be able to read perfectly. Can't wait.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Wonderful, wonderful.
I'm ready.
You can see the breaking right now. Big up. Okay, answer 3 to 1. Hello, I'm Dr. Ming Wang, and this is Marcia, who just had 3D laser raindrop procedure. You know, Marcia suffered what we call short arm syndrome, meaning as you get older, you know, we lose up close vision. And for some reason, Marcia did not want to have her arms lengthened, right? Yeah. So we got to use a new procedure, and US FDA just approved the raindrop procedure, and we are the first in Middle Tennessee to perform this. So Marcia just had raindrop procedure done. Are you ready for the moment of truth? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, blink, open, look around. You went beautiful in the surgery. Congratulations. 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 Right. Come over here.